Guys, when I saw Musamselek when he is with Makumalo, he looks like he is not happy like when he is with other wives when you saw him. You understand? Because guys, Musamselek he married Makumalo because of the situation, because of Masaule. She passed away and she was alone at Muzumbe. You understand? Macele, she was not there at Muzumbe. Macele, she was staying at Sipak. So I think that Musamseleku married Makumalo, but he doesn't love Makumalo. Because guys, most of the times when he was with Makumalo, he is not happy. Makumalo, she is happy. I think that Musamseleku, he must leave that woman alone. You understand? Because the Makumalo, she have to find someone who loves her. You understand? She have to, guys, she have to leave that woman most of the time because guys, it's so hard to live to being married with a person who doesn't love you. It's so difficult. That's why Makumalo, she changed the surname. She changed the surname at Instagram, says Toby Kumalo, because guys, it's so difficult to, because she is trying, guys. She is trying. You understand? She is trying all the best, but that man doesn't love Makumalo. By the way, Musamselegu, he loved Mayeni. You understand? He loved Mayeni and Mangwabe and Macele when you saw when he is Makumalo. Even last time when they are shooting, when they are at family trip, there are two of them. But you look at Musamselek, he is not happy. He is not happy when he is with Samke. You understand? Because Makumalo loves Musamselek, but Musamselek doesn't love Makumalo. That's why you saw nowadays Makumalo, she is, guys, because guys, you can saw that person is not in love with you. Even at the wedding, Makumalo and Musamseleku, they arranged the wedding. Macele stopped the wedding. Musamseleku, he was so excited that Macele, she stopped the wedding. You understand? It looks like, guys, Makumalo is the one who is forcing Musamseleku. Makumalo, she is very young. She is very, very young. That's why you saw Mangwabe most of the time. Musamseleku loves Mangwabe than Makumalo. But Mangwabe, she is that person who doesn't care. You understand it? Makumalo is the person who cares, but Mangwabe, she cares about her feelings. I love Mangwabe. I love Mangwabe because Mangwabe, most of the times, she cares about her feelings, not about someone's feelings.